So in this Figma tutorial video, I will be showing you how to align text here in Figma. So first things first, you have to add some text to your design. Go to the bottom here, select the T, create a text box, and then go ahead and type in it. So I will just go ahead and type in the word align. Now by default for me, it is actually aligned to the left. So if you wanted to change this, select your text box right here, which I have selected. Go to this right side, scroll down a little bit under typography to where it says alignment. Now a couple different things you can do here. You can go ahead and change it just like this. So if you wanted to change it, you can sort of see the preview as well. So if you wanted to go ahead and align it to the center, this means that it's aligned to the center of your text box. If you wanted to go ahead and change it another way as well. You can go ahead and align it sort of to the middle of your text box like that. You can put it to the bottom, to the top, to the middle. You can make it aligned on the right, aligned in the center. Do what you got to do. You can play around with it that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to align text here in Figma. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.